Recent data showing that growth slowed by a lot last quarter stunned India watchers. Take a look at this next report on the declining trend in government and household spending and what it really means for consumer businesses. Here's more.
India's gross domestic product grew by just 5.4% in the September quarter from a year ago. That compared to the 7% projected by the Reserve Bank of India. While it was lower than expected, it was still healthy by global standards. Still, one of the top reasons for India's growth slowdown is reduced government expenditure this year. Many economists have pointed to a slowdown in capital spending as a major concern. Government expenditure had been steadily rising for a while now, inflating growth figures for India. Unfortunately, the fiscal tap cannot be left running indefinitely. Due to the elections, expenditure had been put on hold. The Finance Ministry will need to reduce the amount set aside for capital investment to fulfill its deficit objective. When you begin to ease off, you enter a vicious cycle, especially now when GDP is lower than anticipated. Other quarterly data tell an even more alarming tale. In India, especially in the so-called metros, the salary bill of publicly listed firms is sometimes taken for granted as a stand-in for urban salaries. According to earnings reports, even that pay shrank in the latest quarter. The expanding urban middle class in India has been driving the country's economic growth for a lot longer than government spending has. If that engine suddenly stops working, the consequences on the country's politics and economy would be devastating. No one is ready for that. Businesses in the consumer products industry have been sounding the alarm about this for a while now. Worries about middle-class spending in India's metros lately superseded those of a K-shaped recovery following the pandemic. Wealthier consumers have fared well, but the rural suffering was on the rise. According to Bloomberg's research, 7 of India's biggest consumer-facing corporations have issued warnings about falling demand. India has a long history of rural poverty and small-town difficulties. However, the biggest cities in the nation could see a prolonged downturn for the first time in a long time. What strategy will India employ? Urban wages and spending are slumping. The government needs to counter the malaise quickly to maintain support for pro-growth policies. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.